Going by the need to communicate and interact with people anywhere in the world, Google Meet has made it very easy for us to do that. And one important thing you need to take note there is sometimes the people you'll be interacting with, due to language barriers and other things, they might not really interact with you the way you want. So in order to solve this problem, the first thing you need to do is, after going on Google Meet with them, clicking on the link, joining the live video, the next thing you need to do there is to identify the presentation option and some other icons at the bottom where it will make it possible for you to change into the language of that person at the other end. Take a good look at this screen that you are seeing now. So right now, as I go on live, possibly the person will be on the other side. The next thing I have to do is I click on this very option. You see, once I click on it, you can see this option. You can see it. You can see everything is showing on the screen. You can see everything on the screen. It's typing everything on the screen for me. So if that person speaks on the other end, I'm going to be seeing it in English. So irrespective of his language. So if the person wants to change his language, he can also click on this option, click on it, then select his own language. You can see option here. You select the language of his own choice, then pick the language he wants or she wants. If it is French, you can pick French, or the list is endless. So that is how simple it is. Let's take, for example, I'm going to speak French now. When I pick French, you get to see what will happen. Come to this very point. I type French. This is French. I select French. You get to see it now. You see, so right now everything is going to be typed in French. Just watch. You will get to see, you see. Everything will now get to be typed in French. So after turning in, you get to see it will not show because right now I'm speaking English. But if the person on the other end is speaking French, I'm going to be seeing it, but I cannot see my own. But for me to see what I'm saying, the moment I speak a word in French, it will pick. See, comment ça va? Ça va très bien, merci. You see, it automatically writes the whole information in French for me here. That means the person will be able to see what I'm actually saying at the other end. He's going to see it in his own local language, because it's going to be an issue of local language versus local language. So that is how simple it is. I'm sure you've learned something in this very particular video. And for the presentation, these are options for presentation. You could come to this very point. You select any environment that you want to present. Then when you select it, you now click share. It automatically pick up the environment and begin to display it both for you and the person on the other end. And then you also have an option where you turn on the mic, this very point. Also, always make sure you select the particular mic that you want. Look at the list of microphone here, you see. So make sure if it is an external mic, you select it. If it is internal, and a host of other, because this is going to affect the sound output even as you speak and as it goes out there. And ensure you use earpiece. If not, you are going to be having echo issue, where you'll be having echo of your own voice as you speak to the other person at the other end. So thank you very much for being there. Enjoy yourself.